Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're having some good weather in the UK. You can see, spin round, let's have a look. As you can see there, the sea behind me, down the south coast in the UK. There we go. There we go guys. So this isn't the best bit of beach in the world, but it's not that far from home, so it's good to get out and have a little stroll along the beach. So for people who are not know the UK or haven't been to the UK, this might be just for you to see a little bit of the English coast. As I say, there are much better beaches than this. Probably about another half an hour drive along the coast here, you've got a really nice beach, the West Witterings beach, which is very, very nice. Real sandy beach. We will get along there in the coming weeks, so we'll put a video on there, but just for today, because it's late on in the day, we thought we'd get here. I'll just turn this around. So over in the distance over there, you've got Brighton, which is a popular town in the UK. But yeah, it's just nice to come down, because at the moment it's you're kind of 5:30 at night. They got a pier over there, and it's at the moment it's still like 26 degrees, 27 degrees at half 5 at night. So it's nice just to get down here, you know, and see a bit of the coast. It's very nice. We come here, we bring our own food, just have a chill on the beach, bring our chairs, as you can see there. There's the Gucci gang set up, got your own chairs, so you can just chill out. So it's nice just to come and relax. But yeah, there we are guys. This is the English style beach. But as I say, it's a really nice day, so it's good to come down here. Of course, the beaches in the UK that are nowhere near anything like Thailand. Of course, where my wife comes from, of course the beaches there are absolutely glorious, aren't they? But if you go down to Devon and Cornwall in the UK, you'll definitely see some really nice beaches down there, and maybe we'll pop some on there, because we might be going down there before we head to Thailand in August. Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut off. I'm gonna see you on the next video. I'm gonna run another video straight after this, so don't disappear. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys. Hello everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a great day. And I'm going to turn this around a minute, hold on. Whether you can see there in the distance, we've got a bit of a kayak going on. We've got 5 people on there. This one, I don't know how clearly you can see that on the kayak, exercising. And they actually have competitions here, kayaking competitions in the summer in the sea. All different. Well, there's one over there as well, but it's only two berths of 2 people. And they do have some long ones as well. I know up in Isan in Thailand as well, they have all that in the rivers as well. Some festivals where they have them there. Yeah. There's more over there in the distance. I don't know whether you can see, but there is some over there. A few people coming out and about. Gucci gang getting stuck into a bit of noodles, some Thai food. Yeah. So, yeah, people out and about. All good guys, all good. So, people have asked me, as you know, I've got a Thai wife, children. Wife's been in the UK a long time. How successful having married to a Thai? I can only say positive things, guys. My wife has been absolutely amazing. I met her 17 years ago. We've got 2 children, one 15, one 8, and it's been amazing. My wife never gives me a hard time. It's normally me. If anyone's doing any hard times or stuff, it's probably me giving out the bullshit. So, but there you are. That's it. So, no, it's been really good. Can't say a bad thing. So, any of you guys out there, I see videos, people dissing Thai ladies, this and that. No, it's good and bad everywhere, guys. Good and bad everywhere, right? And that's a fact. It's a marriage is what you make it. It's what you make it. Doesn't matter where the lady comes from. It's been absolutely positive thing. Of course, when she first came to the UK, it's a big culture shock. It's a big change, but we get to Thailand a lot and everything, and so yeah, it's no problem for us. No problem at all. It's all good. As long as my wife gets back to see her family and stuff, it's all good. Okay then, guys, I'm going to clock off this video, but we'll probably do an extension to this video, so don't disappear, guys. As I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Hello, it's only me. Right then, guys, I've headed back up the other direction where the Gucci gang are, and see them in the distance over there, sat on the chairs. The beauty about here is, guys, you can bring your food to the beach. It's not a problem as long as you don't leave your litter everywhere. And of course, having the Thai wife, it's khao pad pak, rice with vegetables, and mama noodles. Mama. So always rice and noodles in our house. So but it's nice, very nice indeed. Kids' friends like to come around. They always ask about if their mum's going to make some Thai food. It's happy days. Right, let's see what the boy's doing. He's got his whinging face on.
น้ำทะเลกำลังลดนะคะช่วงนี้ตอนนี้ก็ประมาณจะ6 โมงเย็นแล้วค่ะน้ำที่อังกฤษที่ทะเลก็จะลดลงวันนี้พามาเก็บบรรยากาศนะคะ6 โมงเย็นที่อังกฤษนะคะริมชายหาดอันนี้ลูกชายนะคะสวัสดีครับยังสวัสดีครับเห็นหอยไหมครับเห็นหอยไหมเปลี่ยน2 ชุดแล้วYeah, but it's quite small. มันยังเล็กอยู่ครับ You can't eat them. Too small. พระอาทิตย์ก็จะตกดินแล้ว ช่วงนี้ก็จะเป็นซัมเมอร์ของอังกฤษนะคะพระอาทิตย์ตกดินก็ประมาณ3 ทุ่มกว่า You find big one just put back where they are honey because we can't eat two Huh? No you can't swim Hmm? Yeah, it's quite dirty, Brandon. It's quite dirty in this one. Hmm? Just leave it for now. Leave it for now. Come on. Hello, สวัสดีครับครับ No, that's where you get itchy from, honey. I think about 6 o'clock. The tides go down, though. The tides go out. Will you take it up then? Take out then, and give to mommy. Oh.
I could wear the other one.
Don't go too fast. Keep going. Keep swimming. It's the sun. Pha มาดูหอยแมงภู่ค่ะเห็นไหมอืมสวัสดีค่ะ พามาดูหอยแมงภู่ค่ะ ตอนนี้กำลังตัวเล็กอยู่นะคะ